I'm excited to invite you to the 4th IndabaX conference to be hosted by our prestigious university, Thomas Adewumi University, with the theme Human-Centric AI for a Digital Nigeria. The conference would hold between 9th and 10th of June 2023. On behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Professor Francisca Oladipo, the founders of our great institution, the Council, BOT, and all members of TAE community, we are inviting you to attend this conference, which is a gathering of computer science enthusiasts, data science enthusiasts, data science researchers and technocrats, people who are enthusiastic about the use of AI, and all researchers in charge of machine learning. Now, you are aware that in the age where we are today, in this current 21st century, the talks around AI, robotics, the use of drones, and all other tech gadgets are now in the news. And we need to know how this affects our economy. The conference is going to focus on talks about the importance of AI in health, education, and security. The conference will be a gathering of over 500 participants who will gather together at our university, Thomas Adewumi University, Oko, Nigeria. We are excited to welcome and receive everyone who would attend this conference. To register for this conference, please log on to www.indabaxng.github.io. We will be glad to see you there.